If you're stuck chasing one-time projects and struggling to grow your monthly revenue, you're making the biggest mistake in your agency. The difference between struggling agencies and thriving scalable businesses is recurring revenue. Today, I'll be breaking down why recurring revenue is 1,000 times better than one-time projects and how you can start making the switch right now. My name is Adam McChesney, and over the last 6 years, I've now built 2 seven-figure digital marketing agencies. We've recently just scaled our second agency to $100K a month after relaunching the agency in October. So I want to come here today and anything with this digital nomad marketing channel to provide you tips, strategies, and insights on how to do the same yourself. Now let's go make some money. So the first thing that we're going to talk about today is the problem with one-time projects. A lot of agencies rely on website builds, one-time SEO audits, or short-term ad campaigns. And the problem with that is that you're always hunting for the next project. It's an endless revolving cycle. Revenue is inconsistent, which then makes it difficult for you to scale, hire, or even plan ahead. And you're likely not paying yourself near what you should be, and you're working extra hours. It feels like there is no light at the end of the tunnel. And if you have a team, not only are you getting burnt out, but they're getting burnt out as well because work continues to stack up, but profits don't. So you don't even have the ability to give them the raises or pay them likely what they deserve. The next thing is that recurring revenue changes the game. The reason why it does is because of both predictability and stability. Going into a given month, right, you know exactly how much money is gonna come in. Your clients also have a higher lifetime value with you. So clients that stay on with retainer ends up meaning more profit for you over time, which allows you to scale easier. You can then confidently hire, invest in the quality processes and systems that you need to, and you can grow without worrying about next month's cash flow. So of course, you're gonna have clients leave and things like that, regardless if you do one time or recurring revenue, but usually it's 30 days. But there's also the stress that goes into it. There's more work and more stress. If you do one-time projects with recurring revenue, there is a lot of work to be done, don't get me wrong, but it's less stress because you're not having to fight tooth and nail every single month. And you're building long-term client relationships that continue to generate continuous income. Now let's talk a little bit about turning one-time projects into recurring revenue. So when I talk about recurring revenue and I'm coaching agency owners, a lot of them are like, Adam, are you saying not to touch one-time projects? Absolutely not. If a quality opportunity presents itself and all it is going to be is a one-time project, I'm going to charge my worth, have that one-time project absolutely crush it, have an awesome Google review, see what other people that business owner might be able to introduce me to. So every opportunity working with a client is a chance to get a review and also turn them into a raving fan and a referral partner. But I'm focused on, hey, if I'm gonna build you this website, I'm not just building you the nice shiny car. I wanna put gas in it, which is lead generation with digital marketing, which is that recurring revenue model. A website build should never be a one and done deal. You should always be bundling it with ongoing SEO or ads, hosting, and maintenance. Turn it into a monthly retainer for management and ongoing optimization. Now, maybe a client needs branding. If they just need branding, well, then offer ongoing content creation, social media management, and email marketing. The key is you should always be asking yourself, what's the next step for this client after this one-time project is done? If you're not maximizing on those opportunities, somebody else likely is, or you are doing your client and your agency a disservice. So if you're serious about growing your digital marketing agency, then you need to make sure that you follow one of our many ways to take the next step to break out of the project-based grind. You can join our free Facebook group where I share exclusive tips, strategies, and resources to help you scale your agency. Make sure to click the link in the description or head over to Facebook and type in Builders of Authority. You can also sign up for our free trial of Go High Level and get 30 days of this software with tons of Builders of Authority and personal branding bonuses. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more agency growth tips, and drop a comment below. If you're stuck with MRR or one-time projects, we would love the opportunity to help. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's go make some money.